Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to the mall as it's Sunday and I'm on the lift. I'm pressing the lift and I'll be right back. I'll meet you when I'm in the car. Bye. The lift is coming like slowly. Okay, it came. I'm gonna go in and press the button and meet you in the car. Bye. Got into the car. Reach the car, going to the mall. I'll meet you there. If I see anything interesting, I'll make sure to show you. Bye, Dylan. Going out. What? Wee. That U-turn. Come on, take the U-turn. Okay, good. Now we are gonna go out. As you can see the sunlight over there.
Tata, you can see. Huh?
Hello.
Hello. Why? Am I kidding? What are you saying? Why are you making my video? I don't like it.
We are at up now and I'll meet you in the mall with my mom. Bye. Say bye. Okay, bye guys. My mom is singing. Okay, let's go and wait. It is the mall and my mom is still driving and I'm gonna meet you there when I go inside, of course, okay? Bye, meet you there. Guys, I'm in. Like, I'll be right back, okay? Doing some clothes shopping. Hey guys, we did the shopping. Now we were eating Starbucks and I'll meet you when we go. Bye. Guys, all our shopping is done. Let me show you. I'll go in the car and yeah, bye.